This is a refresher of the best practices for personal protective equipment at the Cedars Assisted Living. First of all, please do not come to work if you are sick. We would like you to stay home and we will support you if you have any symptoms of COVID-19. Please call your supervisor right away if you are not feeling well. Please remember hand hygiene all the time, especially when you go into the Cedars after you do your temperature screening, before you enter residence rooms, and after you do care. Anytime you touch an item or touch a surface, you should wash your hands or use hand sanitizer. You should be really washing your hands every few minutes. Please also wash your hands before and after your lunch break. Hand hygiene all the time. Please also remember to continue to change your clothes after you enter the Cedars and change your clothes again when you are finished work. When you go home, it is recommended that you have a shower and wash your hair after each shift. We have to wear our PPE, including our eye protection, for any time we are near residents. So if you are working in the reception area or as a temperature screener or as an ALW or nurse, you have to wear your eye protection anytime you are within 2 meters of a resident. This is not optional. This is a requirement from Vancouver Coastal Health, WorkSafe BC, Provida, West Canada, and Beulah Gardens. Please wear your eye protection. Also, we are wearing masks during our shift. If your mask is soiled or wet, please remove it very carefully, wash your hands, and put on a new mask. Please avoid touching your mask as much as possible during your shift. When you are on your lunch break, please try to avoid talking if you don't have a mask on. It's recommended to eat your lunch, wash your hands, put your mask on, and then talk to your co-workers in the staff room. We should avoid talking if we're not wearing a mask. In fact, Vancouver Coastal Health has found that some of the outbreaks and some of the transmission among staff happened in the staff lunchroom because people didn't have their masks on and they were close and they were talking and they were exposed to COVID-19 that way. We would like to avoid spreading COVID-19 during our breaks as much as possible. Try not to share supplies as much as possible during your shift. We should always be cleaning using alcohol wipes or disinfectant wipes to wipe our phones, our keys, the keyboards, the computer, etc. Please remember physical distancing at all times. When you are providing care to the resident, try to do it as efficiently as possible and then step back as much as you can. When you are near other staff members, please try to maintain physical distancing. It's really important during this COVID-19 pandemic. Vancouver Coastal Health has also found that COVID-19 was spread possibly through mistakes with PPE. So the next video that you will see will go over some of the best practices for donning and doffing your personal protective equipment.